Many people remain unaware that used plastics are contributing to the rise in Earth's temperature. The increasing heat is having a significant impact on people and the environment, and authorities and environmentalists emphasize the urgent need to reduce plastic usage to prevent further damage. We have an exclusive report from our SKTV chief reporter, Imphal. Let's have a look.
In our everyday lives, plastic waste has become a common sight, with plastic items frequently discarded carelessly in homes, markets, and on roadsides. This increasing plastic pollution is not only an eyesore but also a serious threat to the environment and human health globally. When plastic waste is burned, it releases harmful toxins that severely impact the Earth's atmosphere. Burning of plastic contributes to environmental pollution and release of dangerous gases into the air when mixed with natural gases in the environment, causing further damage and increase in temperature. The harmful gases released through improper burning threaten to intensify the Earth's struggle against pollution and climate change.
One ton of plastic recycle tauren kalone. Masida kanduri energy se 1,750 liters of oil se. Masi shape to work samane. Energy se recycle to okati. Madam di akuna akoi plastic si sari si akoi petrol dik sari oil dik same ina 4,500 million tons of oil sina masi hogi sinare. Aduna prithibi da phangiba petroleum oil se. Masi 8% si plastic sabar sinare. Yamsa byangwari jan si sinare. And plastic, when I recycle to one by say, Yam the energy ship to it. Environment can do Yam nothing way up. And the Massima way, Nishing Madaka way, 9% contain about plastic since we powder, I'm going to recycle to one miss. Aduga Amo, away incineration to Mai Tadoga. Without open the Tadoga incineration to Mai Tadoga Chinebina, 12% contain, and 12% and 9% and 21% contain when the control remaining part of the Sakhairina. And the Sakhair, my arms in a name with the Pitivida. At the mere hang out where the point to disturb the Leando ABA, Ishing the ABA, not again, no sit up. Yam Satiba, Sangam than who lies.
Exhalation of carbon dioxide by humans and carbon dioxide released from factories and industries, which contributes to increasing temperature, is being mainly absorbed by water bodies. Plastic waste dumped into Loktak Lake has also been found to contribute in increasing temperature. Therefore, concern raises if the lake will become contributing factor in increasing temperature, as carbon dioxide is mainly absorbed by the lake. Speaking about these issues, Director of Directorate of Environment and Climate Change, Dr. T. Brajakumar, shared this information with SKTV News.
Plastic mayama putharakanda akhoi loktak ta karida akhoi pairaga leibisna maram kanda akhoi ishingi makhada akhoi chahi kuina paira kusna microplastic mayam ontharakanda nanoplastic na sigum mayama koi yarum oi haninga lite koi studies kan sathari hojikse koi staff sing training salaga niti university karida koi masiguma join hand da koi wakhara to binaraga ising the microplastic sang kam yaurg have assessment mo koi kan hogachare dare aduga masigi hogal mutung da koi report pudi koi yam thu paton thonu jona jagani hojikse koi na pana bada lokta kumba dagi topa welen khara shreishta koi methane gas puthorabra habigi chingna jam song lai rai tare koi da aduna carbon sink tobuga carbon emit tobuga ani sigi sequestration ga dagi emission ga ani sigi balance ma mass balance ma koi kan study tobu sathari hetare koi dojikse.
Manipur has also formed Manipur Plastic Policy 2022, strictly prohibiting use and manufacture of single-use plastic items. However, restrictions still not fully implemented in the state. Even though Mahud urban local bodies, with the assistance of deputy commissioners, are entrusted with enforcement responsibilities to look into the matter, it remains still incomplete with occasional monitoring. People also continue to use plastic despite the restriction. Director of Environment and Climate Change, along with Manipur Pollution Control Board, will struggle to monitor the issue without the support of the people.
Education ki institute mayam ama lai Manipur da university dagi adigi college ki mayam dagi adigi school ki sin lai ba akoi lai si mayam sing mai thado koi mohta natra masi pajana akoi na government policy am sembiraga even IDP da lai ba person sing obi ai aduga lai kai gi adigi khun ki mayam sing sin moi project oina pibiraga paisa si khara hen moina government ting biragadi madu da koi plastics ki bag plastic bag oina bag mota chi gi bag natra akoi pot chai punan na mayam sing se aduna ngasai gi yam important odi ngasai sida akoi yari ma kai recycle to bunga manga ngame amdra na yari ma kai phi ke khaw por ga sina ba yi habit che leiba ngam ba aduga plastic sina dre adu agadi aduga sina ba tar ga su ai plastic lai tar plastic na mo hanjin sina ba yabo hanjin sum sina adu ane thok tre
plastic sinabagi sangse handan ba madi mase yari ba mukhay ekhone step by step sinadana ba hona ba samna da koi sarkar laktoi ba koi single use plastic hai na koi amutang sinag honje ko makal ki plastic khara makhan khara khando ga thami se samna da koi dispo glass adagi dispo spoon plastic polythene koi gi yam pa polythene nam koi market ke yap to phangi ba sugumba yani koi sinadana ba hona ba ma ko matok ta hai tar makoi sing su han de ga su jam thui hai tar ko
It is widely believed that proper implementation of Manipur plastic policy will significantly reduce scattering of plastic waste and practice of dumping plastics into ponds and lakes. However, major challenge remains securing public support for the steps taken by authorities to ban use, manufacture and sale of single-use plastics. With Chief Reporter K3 Premchand, this is Victoria Rajkumari, SKTV News, Imphal.